Okay, sorry about that, guys. Um, let's just start over from scratch. I hope now it's less blurry. Let's just check it out and see. I really hope so. First of all, let's oh, Mike. Okay, yeah. Whoops. I know. Like auxiliary. Mix the auto monitoring. Audio. Okay. Should be fine. Anywho, are we less blurry? That's all that matters. Are we less blurry? That's all that matters. Not really, huh? Shit. Are we less blurry? That's all that. Oh, wait, my microphone's picking myself up. Okay. It looks less blurry. That's good. Anyways, let's get started on explaining what this is. This whole project has like what it is so far. I've got this class of custom list, and it basically replaces an import called numpy because I was having issues with it. So I just made my own. This basically replacing the subtract method from numpy and made my own. Let's just make sure that the other live stream I started that was a mistake because it wasn't good. Okay. Alrighty. So yeah, I made my own kind of class for just this one method here, and I have a class of water, which basically controls the entire board of the game. And it has columns, rows. It has spots for fog. I'll explain later. Why would I need fog for Battleship? You'll see. I have a board, which stores a bunch of integers that represent the tiles on the board. I have the fog itself that represents integers that would be on the integers on the tiles, I guess. And here's the function that starts the game. It just kind of it sets columns to its own columns. It calls make a board and make fog, and it prints the foggy board in the console. And that's what print foggy board does. It kind of just replaces when the current iteration of let's say, basically all the same integers in fog, and the same integers in board will be replaced by a hashtag, so it looks like fog in the console. I'll just show you. Let's just see. Python debugger. So initially it just draws the board. That's what the start of the game function. It just makes a board. And then it determines what the fog is. So it chooses. In this case, there are 2 spots. So the origin of the first spot is 3. So there's like 5 fog things around that origin because there are 5 fog tiles per spot in this case. And this one's at 15. Same number of fog around that spot. And the numbers adjacent to 3 in this board are 2, 4, and 8, and those are all selected in this little list here. And as well as 3. 3 is also included. And then the other origin is 15, and it would be 10, 14, and 20 because they're adjacent to 15. And then afterwards, I just drew the foggy board, which basically replaced this list of integers with it replaced these integers, if they were equal to any of these, with hashtags, and that's what print foggy board does. It just prints the same board but with hashtags if they are repeating integers. Yeah. And then you got the init function, you got the print board function, which just prints the board for print foggy board to use inside of it. The init function, why is that indented? It's not part of it or anything. I'm just gonna shift tab that away here. I'm not sure why that was indented. That's silly. Now there's a make board function. It just kind of takes in the columns and rows and then just has for loops to create a numerated number that's added to a list, and then it prints that row, and then after printing all the rows it'll just print a funny little word that says vast ocean here. Just funny. It's like little 5x5 that just says to print a vast ocean. Over here you have the make fog function, which takes in the columns, the number of fog spots, the board itself, like the list of integers, a minimum upgrade and a maximum upgrade, which basically affects how big a spot of fog can be, and it takes in the list of fog as well. I'm not sure why it does that. Why does it take in a list of fog if it is the fog? What the hell? That's... oh, because I had to declare fog as a list over here because it stores it anyway. Because otherwise fog was an integer for some reason. Okay. So, for every spot of fog, it does all of this. It checks if you have more fog than actual spaces on your board. If you do, then you just break out of it. There's no point in continuing. Otherwise, you create, you determine which spots you can still use, and you create a list out of those spots. And then, around the origin, it checks criterias like if you're on the edge or on the, like on any of the edges, and if you are, you won't create a new spot on the right of something that's on the right edge, for example. So that means all this is just for creating adjacent spots around the origin that would have fog in them. And that allows me to kind of make these little plus patterns here in the fog here. I'll try and regenerate it so that it's obvious. We got bad RNG. Hold on. Give me one in the center. There you go. So you can kind of, well, what the? That's weird. Anyways, what the heck? Oh, it's because it's shifted off one side because they're smaller. Okay, that's fine. We're really getting bad RNG. I want one that's like dead center in the middle. Like, let's say 18 would be nice. Gosh dang it. At least the fog is truly random. There you go. Okay. So, as you can see, these are kind of shifted off because the numbers are smaller, so they don't kind of take up as much space. But let's say this one was closer to over here because, you know, the 11 is shifting it away. This is like a plus sign here. It's a wonky plus sign because it's, you know, shifted away because this is like 2 characters, so it's pushing this further to the right. But it's like a plus sign. That's what I wanted. And as you saw, if I just rerun this, if it's on the side here, it won't create a new hashtag on over here. This one belonged to this one, like this is the origin of this plus sign, and technically these numbers are pushing it to the right, so this isn't because of that. But let's say if you were ignoring this, this would be number 15, and it wouldn't have a hashtag because there's a check that checks if this is on the edge, and if it was, which it is, it wouldn't create a hashtag at the instance number of -1 of itself to like basically putting on the left of it. I guess that kind of doesn't make sense. I'm a rookie at explaining stuff. Don't worry about it. Let's get a good size so that you can read it in chat or on stream. And after creating plus signs, if they're still greater than or more of 4, or equal to 4 spots left that you can still generate out of the random number that you can. In this case, I set it to 5 always, so it would you would continue and just fill in the corners with the relatively similar logic to the plus sign generation stuff, I guess. So that's the whole water thing, generating all the water and stuff. And now I gotta make the graphics. So I just want to make the player water, and I have this example here because I'm still a rookie with UI and stuff. When it comes to TK Inter, I just started it like 2 weeks ago. I made a cool vending machine, but that's like the limit of my abilities so far. I guess you just have a background with these for now. I'll just set a background. Equals, what's water look like? Fucking blue. So now we're creating a screen. Yeah. Alright. Whoa. That feels a little bit larger than it should be. Is my screen that tall and wide and shit? Ooh. I don't know if this screen is that big. Anyway, it wasn't blue, but that's because it wasn't being drawn yet. Is that the case? Is that the case? Oh, I didn't pack it. Okay. And then enemy water equals dk dot frame game screen background equals red. No, they have water as well. It's just not yours. Let's do blue. And over here you have center frame equals tk dot frame game screen background equals gray. Let's run it and see what it looks like. Oh, I didn't pack them. Bruh. Dot pack failed equals both. Expand equals true. It's a little bit harder to type on my laptop's further away because I have to, be close to the microphone. Enemy water dot pack failed equals both. Expand equals true. Oh, this is a center frame. Whoops. And then enemy water equals tk dot frame. No. Dot pack. Fail equals both. Expand equals true. Okay, and then this one has to be just y. Yeah, it wants y. Okay. And then let's see what that looks like. Ladies and gentlemen. I want one line down the middle and then two big blue areas. Now when the line in the middle is gray. That's what I want. Oh, I have to kill it first. Okay. Hold on. Can you create yourself, please? Oh, what the heck? Yo. No. Nuh-uh. Not what I wanted. What do I have to do to make this? Why is there a random ass line down the middle? What is this? I don't want this. Hell no. What do I have to do? I remember doing these buttons. Oh, column configure maybe. Ooh, okay. And then weight. Let's say like we'll do 3, 1, and 3, I guess? I don't know. I'm kind of confused. Okay. Okay. Game screen dot column configure. Let's say, and then what was it? You just kind of 0. That's the row, I guess. Weight equals. No, it's not the rows. That's the number of columns. Okay, weight equals like 3. Game screen dot column. Nope. Column configure. 1. Weight equals 1. Why is that? There you go. Sorry. And here I do 2. And then what did I do here? Oh, you have to do good dot grid. Okay. Only one row, right? I'm guessing. Dot, what was it? Shit. Grid. Okay. Grid. And then equals 0. Column equals, say 1. I don't know what these are. Hold on. Index, grid index. List of integers, tuple of integers. Okay, the index would be that. So I have to do different numbers. Interesting. Column equals 1. Sticky. Oh. What? I don't know. What is this? What does this do? tk.w. What? I don't get it. Oh, whatever. Let's just try this. Whatever this looks like, I'll understand. Bruh. slow. It does not want to work, huh? Can you work for me here? Hello. Oh, what? Wow. That sounds a little bit suspicious here. Geometry Manager pack inside dot, which already has slaves managed by grid. Oh, okay, we can't do pack. Okay, gotcha. Okay, we can't do pack and grid. What would I do here? Column is 0. Okay, so there is an index. Grid row equals 0. Column equals 1. And I guess, shut up. Row equals 0. Column. I need a new keyboard equals 2. And then, what the shit? It does not like that. Run, please. Come on. Ah. Oh, MN. What is wrong with my dyslexic ass? Come on. Please. Come on. You know you wanna. What the hell? Why? Why are you doing this to me? Not okay. Sticky equals decayed. What the shit? What the shit? I'm confused. I'm really confused. Okay. I would talk if people were here to listen, but I don't know anymore. I don't feel like it since no one's here. I'll configure that. Now, since that's a frame at the root, yeah. Okay, maybe. I don't know. I'm just trying anything at this point. Oh, what the shit? What the hell? Oh my god, no way. Oh, I'm confused. What am I supposed to do here? Yeah, yeah, okay. Add a column and everything. Huh? Why? I don't get it. Configure. Equals. Let's do it. Freaking gray. Light gray. Now surely, since I changed this color, maybe we might notice a difference, or I might learn something about my problem. close the window first, I guess. If you're a big meaty like that. I'm not sure it's supposed to be this small. Let's go back and change it to what it was before. Okay, I am confused. Maybe, who knows? I'm just confused here. Can we run again, please? Hello? It does not want to run. Okay. What is going on here? Do you just not want to run? What's going on? I'm confused. What is going on? Okay. Let's just do this, okay? Let's just add this and see where it brings us. I hate how I have to reload that every time. Okay. That's interesting. Why is this like that now? Huh. Because, like, look, there's like a pixel, like a single pixel of blue at the top of here, gray and blue. Maybe if I mean, look, it is taking up 3 and 1 and 3 of whatever this is, like 1 unit of space, I guess. If that makes sense at all. Is my live stream even on? Is there even a chat here? Yes. Don't call me a nerd, bruh. Oh, it's not live. Oh no, okay, that's why. Okay. Don't call me a nerd. I don't need to be called a nerd. I'm just trying to make a game here. Jeez. At least call me a geek. Like, gosh. There's like a difference between nerd and geek. Don't belittle me to the point of nerd, please. Yeah. Anyway. How the fuck do I do this? Let's see. No. What do I do? Configure. Like, what the hell is going on here? Oh! And then you pack it there. I get it. I get it. I get it. let's see what this does. I don't know what it will do, but it's gonna do something. I guess. It's gonna have to, or I'm gonna lose my sanity. Bro called me a freaking nerd. Jeez. Okay. The actual app itself can't do that. Which means... Okay, load that in. Are you joking me? Come on. Why is it still so tiny? Pisses me off, bruh. Okay. I need to see some results here. This is painful. What do I do? What do I do? Fuck. Let's see what this does. Column index of a grid. Alright. Okay. What did this do then? I feel like it was X pad X 30 pad 1 10. Okay. Fill equals X pad X equals. Let's just try it. Pad 1 equals. I just want to see. Not entirely sure what the hell this is doing, but it's doing something, but it's minuscule. I don't know why. These things have a thing. I don't know what they're doing. What is this? Why isn't it vertically doing anything? Like, come on. Making me freaking... This is painful. This is genuinely painful. I don't know. What is going on? Let's just copy and paste code because I don't understand it. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just straight up gonna do that. Let's see here. Got the one that's like the root. Okay. Got this one. It looks pretty normal to me. That's what I got going on here. Just kinda... Oh, do I have to determine them above? Ooh, it's not smart, is it? To get a frame. Huh. Is it easy to have frames contained in frames? Like, what? I'm confused. It's confusing. Ugh. So that one's a frame. Inside this frame, there's another frickin' frame. Yeah, there's a frame there. The other column configurations. What the fuck isn't... What's wrong then? What's wrong? Why? No! Please! Just work. Ay. Oh, of course. Of course you just don't want to work, huh? Be my guest. Okay. You don't want to work. That's fine. No, it isn't. I lied. It is not fine. Fuck. What am I supposed to do here? Okay. Master equals that. Master is root. And root is a TK. Okay, that makes sense. That's the app. Okay, the master game screen is the app itself, the whole window. And then the master of player, water, center frame, and enemy water is all game screen. So everything should be contained inside of game screen. It should all be there. And then it should take it up by a grid. But for whatever reason, it isn't. It's just taking up a pixel. I don't know why. I'm genuinely confused why this is happening. Let me look it up here. Don't worry about what just appeared on my screen real quick. It's totally fine, totally normal. Nothing out of the sort there, you know. Wait, okay. Okay. ChatGPT said to do this. Let's see what it does. It's very good with code, honestly. Let's see what it does. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. It is not the best with code. I think it doesn't know what a grid is. Yeah, it made the second. It made it go to second. What? Why would you change the rows? Why would you ever do that, ChatGPT? What is... No. 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 That is not how that works. Okay. Game screen dot row configure, maybe. I mean, I did that with HTML like years ago. Maybe we have to do that first. Let's do 0. And then 1. That's the whole thing. There's only one. There's only one row. If I make my game understand that there's only one row, surely it shouldn't fill it all in the freaking top there. Let's do this. Run. Surely that's the case, right? Whoops. Okay. Pygame? I mean, it's just a school project, and it's literally Battleship. It's not gonna be the biggest thing ever. So, especially since you can just have all the thinking happen inside of Visual Studio Code as an interpreter. It's just a school project. It's not a big thing. For now, at least. When the time comes, I'll probably do what you're saying, I guess. Let's just see what this looks like. What does this look like? Come on. What other instance? There is no other instance. What are you talking about? This thing's like really lagging hard right now. Hold on. What's the problem? Okay. It has no length. What do I have to do then? Okay, stop loading. Okay, index, grid index. That's the it. Why do you know? Okay, that's the index. Okay, wait. You have to do the weight equals. Okay, weight equals, and then yeah, 1 unit, whatever that is. Okay, that's something. I don't know why this is still tiny. But we got the player water and the enemy water. I don't know why this is so tiny though. What is going on? Center frame. Why? Why are you like this? Just work, please. No. No. I don't get it. What is going on here? Maybe we make this like 7. Let's just try that. See what happens. Let's tinker around a little bit like a scientist. Not that I am. Oh my god, stop reloading my freaking screen, please. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Are you loading? Hello? Okay, it doesn't like me at all, does it? Okay. You can't make it fill fully, huh? That's just great, isn't it? Wait. Oh man, I don't know what to do. Let me just look it up real quick. Okay. I don't think it understands. I don't think it understands what it should look like. I think it's a little confused. Now we're thinking, ChatGPT. There you go. But you're still stupid. You forgot the height here. Okay. 100. ChatGPT forgot the height. That's fine. Oh! 1080. Okay. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. 1080. There you go. Okay. 1080. Yes, sir. Please load faster. Refresh. I want my screen to finally work here. There you go. Full screen. We can't full screen, but that's fine. That's okay. We have the player and the enemy, and that's looking really good. Not really, but still. Looks okay. And what I want to do is I want to fill up this side and this side with buttons that represent tiles of water. Let's see what that does. Let's copy everything. And we're gonna speed coding with ChatGPT. We got the main game. Okay. Okay. Let's close this. Whoops. Reopen that. Sorry. Give me Python. Oh shit, it's 10:43. I need to go to sleep. That's not good. That's a shame. Okay, well, let's see what ChatGPT says for now. For continue. Yeah. Expansion. Super init. Calling super. Something geometry. Okay, I guess that does that. Let's go. Okay. Okay, let's see what this does. Let me just push to GitHub real quick. And modify these two. Commit. Let's say, what should I say? Before asking ChatGPT for help with UI, confirm, git push, because why the hell not? Okay. And git push just to make sure it will tell us up to date if we are not up to date. Or okay, everything's up to date, good. And now let's try and see what ChatGPT did. Let's copy the code. ChatGPT makes things so much faster. Oh my god, I didn't mean to close the freaking page again. Okay, hold on. Alright. Good morning. I had no idea it was morning. For me, it's 10 o'clock. I gotta go to bed because I got school tomorrow. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Okay, let's see what it wants. ChatGPT imports water. It created itself as a class and makes it more structured. It's good. I'm a rookie, so I'm gonna just let it do what it does best. And that defines its game screen to take it up frame self, which has access to itself. And self. Oh, main game is a subclass of TK. Okay, okay, gotcha. Okay, it declares all the columns and rows. This makes the buttons. What? Oops. And it fills everything, and then it calls self.create tiles, and create tiles calls water, and it calls start a game by water, and then for each tile in wboard, so in water.board, okay, which I do have. There is a water and there's a board and fog board. It creates a button, yeah, and then the button, okay, it has a name called tile, so every button will just have the word tile on it, which is kind of silly. Let's just have, if you're gonna call them all tiles, might as well just do this. Oh, there's a name for it. Okay, never mind. Okay. Python, and then in here, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Everything makes sense so far with ChatGPT. Really cool. And then for tile, okay, why is it doing percent columns? It's like dividing it by a remainder. Probably. Anyway, pretty smart. Interesting result, GPT. It's silly. Equals 2. Okay. Well, we do know the columns and rows. Width equals, let's say, 1920 divided by, no, 1920 times 1 divided by columns, W dot columns, and then the height is going to be 1080 times 1 over W dot rows. Yeah. Okay. That makes sense to me, at least. And then grid. When it grids, you have to do a thingy. I don't know what that does, but it's doing a thingy. And let's just copy our code because we can. And then paste it here. Why is it disabled? I don't know. Height equals whatever. Not sure why it's disabled. I guess it just had its own thing, its own game mechanic for fog. But let's say what if I wanted it to be similar to the print foggy, what's it called? Print foggy board on both sides of the game. Where the fog was just replacing numbers with hashtags so that it looked something like fog. Like if a tile was foggy, its button text would just be a hashtag. Let's do that. Okay. Modify the create tiles method. Yeah, good. Oh. That's pretty simple and easy then. Looks like ChatGPT knows a lot more Python than C#, because it was not this smart when it was doing C#. For tile and w.fog. No, I don't want another w.fog. No, it's silly. Okay, I like this. Let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna copy the good tag, good code here, not the bad yucky code. Oh, no. Okay, whoops. Okay. Alright. Create tiles. Everything looks good. Okay, I guess it. Whatever, not relevant. I guess I have to edit by hand. How annoying. Okay, let's just do for tile in w.board. What was its answer before? It said. I don't know. Where is it? Where is it? Where the text is something. Where is it? Where did I put it? Where did it say it? Where did it say it? Something about text. Where? Oh, wait, right there. Okay. Well, I'm just blind. Whatever. If tile doing else string. Okay. Text equals hashtag if tile in w.fog else string w.board at the index position of tile, because you're iterating with that name. Which is silly. Text equals text. Okay, integers have range. Interesting. Did I not have a into? About now? Jeez. You jerk face. Load for me, please. Come on. What? Not even the index position? The list object's not callable? That's stupid. Let's ask ChatGPT. It always knows. It always knows. I want the index position of our for loop in main game. In create tiles to get the number on the index. The number from the same index to set text to. But I get an error doing this. The important thing about using ChatGPT is letting it know what your issue is. As always, machines do not want, we have to want for them. Which means if we want, which response do we prefer? Looks like there's a small mistake in the code. Instead of w.board tile, we should use w. Correct code. For tile and w.board. Okay. Instead of. Wait, no. Okay. Increment self. Okay. Range 2, foot tile and W dot board. Oh. I guess we're just gonna call it tile then. Oh, it's a square bracket. Okay, that's silly. I get it. Okay. Whatever. Run, please. Silly goose. Why are you like this? Expected an integer but got a float? Oh my gosh. What the hell? That is not okay. Got 384 what? 384.0? What? Yeah. Okay. Okay, looks like it's definitely my bedtime now because I've been told to go to bed. Let's just try and figure this out first though. Tile, okay. That is confusing. What the heck? Oh, we have to do a master, right? So, master equals player water. Self.player water, right? Okay. Same thing with just enemy water. Oh no, I already had it. Okay. That's silly. Enemy water. Please run. Got 384 again. Okay, why? Else string just tile, I guess. Whatever tile is, doesn't matter. Just run this time, please. Thank you. Run. Don't give me an error. Ah, shit. Expected an integer but got... No, huh? Where? Okay. Int. Sorry. You're so precise, you little jerk. I know computers can't be precise with their divisions. You have to do floating point accuracy bullshit, but don't give me that crap. Run. Run the code, damn you. Bruh. Okay, we'll have to fix this last error. I need to make progress here. Come on. let's just do that. Okay. Error is occurring because the width and height parameters for TK must be integers, and you're currently passing a float value. How am I passing a float value? Since what do you mean? An error message indicates that you're trying to set the width and height attributes of the TK button widget and floating point number. To fix this, you need to convert these values to integers before assigning them using the modified code. Oh, string. Why would you want a string there? Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Never mind. I'm sorry. Continue. What? No, that does not make sense. Shouldn't the width be, like, of one tile be one whole width of the entire thing divided by the columns? I feel like that makes a lot of freaking sense to me. Like, seriously. Come on. That makes sense, doesn't it? That makes a lot of sense to me, man. I don't know what to say. $184.0. Why? Oh, I didn't put int. That's silly. Okay. Yeah, okay. That one passed. It was this one. So I was right. Int. And then just do int. Cool. Easy enough. And I don't need these extra brackets. Run, please. I need progress here. Come on, baby. Okay, something flashed blue and then it stopped. This hurts. This hurts me so bad. Why? Don't do this to me. Don't you dare. Don't you dare do this to me right now. Okay. It flashed blue. I don't know what it was. I'll review it and edit, but god dang it. Okay. That's it for me today. I'm gonna hop off. I've been streaming for a bit now. Yeah, now we're at 13 minutes of coding. Oh yeah. I'm going to bed. See you guys. Thank you for watching, if anyone still is. And I'll see you guys in the next one.